All right, welcome to August 2019 on Spray Paint Art Secrets. This month we've got a lot of really fun stuff. We're going to improvise and we're going to use found objects and toys. Yes, I use little toy plastic lizards to make this painting, and I'm going to show you how I think about it, how I think about finding objects, how I use them, and how you can learn to improvise and play and create amazing paintings on the fly all by yourself. If you're not familiar with spray paint art, you can use water-based non-toxic paint to do all of these techniques, and you can even use regular acrylic paint to do many of them. So there'll be lots of really great ideas in this month's video about how to use found objects and how to improvise, and the focus this month is on play and nature. Of course, there's always a little bit of a science fiction feel to what we do because spray paint art just seems to lend itself towards the cosmic. And it also revels in using everyday objects like plates and newspaper to paint with. And another kind of everyday object that we're going to use is an eraser. I'm going to show you how to paint spray paint art techniques or any kind of paint that you want to use using some very interesting tools. And one of those tools is an eraser, as I mentioned. And the eraser, because it's got that rubbery texture, you can really bang it down on your painting and create some very interesting effects that you can't create with any other tool. And often they look really good for creating cities or technology, which is perfect for spray paint art with all of our space themes, and cities fit beautifully into landscapes. And we're also going to cover some other interesting tools that you may not have thought of, ways to make leaves really, really fast, like trees and leaves by stamping it on with different kind of sponge. So besides our focus on found objects, play, and improvisation, we're also really going to do a deep dive into the themes of nature and trees. We're going to do some flowers, and we're going to show you how to do 3 different kinds of tree that maybe you've never tried any of these before. And they're quite beautiful, and you use them in different ways in your painting, and you can use these same techniques with your acrylic paints or whatever kind of painting that you like to do. These techniques will be useful to you. And we're also going to focus in on the simple skills, the simple tools of landscape painting. In our last painting for this month, and you'll see that in just a minute, we're going to just do a black and white landscape. And what that will allow you to do is really focus in on the techniques that you use. And of course, we're going to be covering tools that you probably have around the house but have never used and can make amazing things. All right, so if you have any questions, you can email me, Elisa Amor, personally at spraypaintartsecrets@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to answer your questions. And if you would like a free spray paint art lesson, just go to spraypaintartsecrets.com, of course, and put your name and your email in the field, and then you can download a free video and get our free materials list. If you would like to learn how to do all this with your airbrush, the right place to go is airbrushpaintingsecrets.com, and you can get some free stuff there too as well. So I hope you've enjoyed these previews for August 2019 on Spray Paint Art Secrets. All of this will be in the membership area in August and in the gold membership area forever. Ciao.